Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Mijanur Rahaman, and in the previous video we are discussing about the anterior pituitary hormones. So we are discussing about growth hormones, and today we will discuss about the mode of action of growth hormone, somatomedin. Growth hormone acts on bones growth and protein metabolism through somatomedin secreted by liver. Growth hormone stimulates the liver to secrete somatomedin. Sometimes, in spite of normal secretion of growth hormone, growth is arrested or dwarfism occurs due to the absence of or deficiency of somatomedin. Now, somatomedin is defined as a substance through which growth hormone acts. It is a polypeptide with molecular weight of about 7,500 Rad. Somatomedins are of two types: insulin-like growth factor 1 (IGF-1), which is also called somatomedin C, and insulin-like growth factor 2. Now, somatomedin C or insulin-like growth factor 1 acts on the bones and protein metabolism, and insulin-like growth factor 2 plays an important role in the growth of fetus. Duration of action of growth hormone and somatomedin C. Growth hormone is transported in the blood by loose binding with plasma protein. So at the site of action, it is released from the plasma protein rapidly. Its action also lasts only for a short duration of 20 minutes. But somatomedin C binds with plasma proteins very strongly. Because of this, the molecules of somatomedin C are released slowly from the plasma proteins. Thus, it can act continuously for a longer duration. The action of somatomedin C lasts for about 20 hours. You can see the clear-cut difference: 20 minutes and 20 hours. Now, mode of action of somatomedin C. Somatomedin C acts through the second messenger called cyclic AMP. The messenger type we have discussed in the previous videos also. Now, growth hormone receptor. Growth hormone receptor is called growth hormone secretory, a GHS receptor. It is a transmembrane receptor belonging to cytokine receptor family. Growth hormone binds with the receptor situated mainly in liver cells and forms the hormone receptor complex or HR complex, and the HR complex induces various intracellular enzymes pathway resulting in the somatomedin secretion. Somatomedin in turn executes the action of growth hormones. Regulation. Now we will discuss about the regulation of growth hormone secretion. Growth hormone secretion is altered by various types of factors. However, hypothalamus and the feedback mechanism play an important role in the regulation of growth hormone secretion. Growth hormone secretion is stimulated by hypoglycemia, fasting, starvation, exercise, stress, trauma, initial stages of sleep. And growth hormone secretion is inhibited by hyperglycemia, increase in free fatty acids in blood, and later stages of sleep. Now, role of hypothalamus in the secretion of growth hormone. Hypothalamus regulates growth hormone secretion via three hormones. One is growth hormone releasing hormone, one is growth hormone releasing polypeptide, and one is growth hormone inhibitory hormone. Now, growth hormone releasing hormone, it increases the growth hormone secretion by stimulating the somatotropes of anterior pituitary. And growth hormone releasing polypeptide, it increases the release of growth hormone releasing hormone from hypothalamus and growth hormone from pituitary. Now, growth hormone inhibitory hormone or somatostatin, it decreases the growth hormone secretion. Somatostatin also secreted by delta cells of the islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. These three hormones are transported from the hypothalamus to anterior pituitary by hypothalamo-hypophyseal portal blood vessels. Now, feedback control. Growth hormone secretion is under the negative feedback control mechanism. And hypothalamus releases growth hormone releasing hormone and growth hormone releasing polypeptide, now which in turn promote the release of growth hormone from the anterior pituitary. Growth hormone acts on the various tissues. It also activates the liver cell to secrete somatomedin C or insulin-like growth factor 1. Now the somatomedin C increases the release of growth hormone inhibiting hormone from the hypothalamus, and GHIH in turn inhibits the release of growth hormone from pituitary. Somatostatin also inhibits the release of growth hormone, releasing polypeptide from hypothalamus. It acts on the pituitary directly and inhibits the secretion of growth hormone. And growth hormone, its own secretion is stimulated by release of GHIs from hypothalamus. This type of secretion feedback is called short loop feedback control. Similarly, GHRS inhibits its own release by short loop feedback control. Whenever the blood level of growth hormone decreases, the GHRS is secreted from the hypothalamus. It in turn causes the secretion of growth hormone from pituitary. Role of ghrelin in the secretion of growth hormone. Ghrelin is a polypeptide hormone synthesized by epithelial cells in the fundus of stomach. It is also produced in the smaller amount in hypothalamus, pituitary, kidney, and placenta. Ghrelin promotes secretion of growth hormone by stimulating stomatotrophs directly. So this is for now. Tomorrow we will discuss about the other hormones of the anterior pituitary. Thank you so much for watching.